I've done exhibitions since 2015. My first solo exhibition was held at the Century City Mall in Makati. That was a big one because I remembered it took me 2 years preparing and creating a theme for my exhibition. So medyo madetalye yun kasi first time ko to exhibit. And it's a big place. I have to fill up the walls. Exciting yun. At the same time, tiring. I remembered losing sleep kasi medyo excited ako at the same time. And that exhibition, I was honoring my late father. So medyo dark yung exhibition na yun. I remember talking to my canvas all the time. And then, I had a break because I renovated this studio. So instead of me renting a space inside a mall, sabi ko, ayusin ko na lang tong apartment ko. It took me 2 years to finish the studio. I opened it to the public late 2016 to 2017. So I hired chefs for the opening and it was really fun because they created dishes that I love and the colors are from my color palette. So kung ano yung mga favorite colors ko, they created that. It was a collaboration with Chef Noah and basta tatlo sila. Fast forward, 2018, I did Patak-Patak Seasons of My Mind here in FACTORY505. That was actually a very good exhibition because I'm on a different space at the time, more relaxed, more confident in what I'm doing. I have chosen light colors in that exhibition, and I remembered when I was preparing for my exhibition, the process of painting my canvas. It was a very good feeling. It's like I'm not here on earth. It's like I'm flying. So medyo out-of-body experience yon, yung Patak-Patak Seasons of My Mind ko. I really went deep into my innermost feelings and I just poured it onto my canvas. Then after my Patak-Patak 2 exhibition, I went on a diving expedition in Negros. I was so overwhelmed underwater. Nung natuto ako mag-scuba diving, ayoko nang pumanik. When I'm underwater, the feeling of floating weightless underwater is just so liberating. And of course, I learned how to breathe using the apparatus. It was hard at first, and once I got the hang of it, wow, the feeling was, it's like flying but floating and sobrang saya. So when I came back to Manila, I was so inspired of what I felt underwater, the feeling of that weightlessness. Sabi ko, I have to capture that. So that's why when I came back here, siguro nagpahinga lang ako ng mga 1 to 2 days. After noon, I went to the paint shop. I bought some paints, and then I think for 2 weeks, I was like a lunatic, painting my ceiling, my floor, my walls. Non-stop yun. I don't know what came over me. It's like it possessed me. Sabi ko, I have to paint these walls. Pupunuin ko siya. Yung gusto ko paggising ko sa umaga, parang I'm underwater. So, yun yung diving deep exhibition ko. 2018 yun, nang ginawa ko. February also. But that exhibition, I didn't sell anything. There's nothing for sale. I invited friends over so that they can experience what I experienced underwater. When they enter my studio, they're part of my exhibition. They're my subjects. So parang they're inside an aquarium and this is the aquarium and they're the fishes. So that's the idea. So I painted not only my walls, my ceiling, my floor, but also all my furniture. The table, the chairs, the ladder, the pillows. So I painted everything. I said, you know what, why not? It was just a freeing experience for me, the diving deep. Ngayon, I'm preparing for another exhibition this coming February. So please guys, watch out for it. Stay tuned here on our channel so we can update you. We have more videos coming up for you.